All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A cooler day, gray, a little muggy out there, and some much needed rain. Still well below average for the month, but definitely a shot in the arm. And we only missed our record high by 30 degrees or so. 70 is the average high for this time of the year, not too far from that. As we look across, we see some sun underneath those clouds, but over here a little hazy. Even possibly a few sprinkles making their way down to the ground. At 64 out at Hector, we may yet get to our high temperature of the day, hovering in the mid-60s this evening. North wind is blowing at 14 miles per hour. Grand Forks, a few splits in the clouds up above, and 63 on the thermometer. Your relative humidity over 70%. 59 this hour in Jamestown, 59 in Langdon. And temperatures are warmer down to the south where we have a near 70-degree reading in Wahpeton, Breckenridge, 66 in Fergus Falls. Up to the north around Lake of the Woods where you see those greens there, 50s heading into your Tuesday evening. Here's a look at the regional picture. Our showers that moved through today are exiting all the way up into the Thunder Bay area. Now we have severe weather in the form of severe thunderstorm potential. Southern Minnesota, that's rapidly exiting into portions of Wisconsin now. Wisconsin, by the way, in a tornado watch and an active tornado warning right now in north central Wisconsin. Here's a look at a storm south of the Twin Cities rolling through toward the Northfield area now and through with that hail potential. The rotating thunderstorm making its way into northern and western portions of Wisconsin now. Severe weather is spreading all the way down through the central and southern plains. We'll likely hear of numerous tornadoes down in the Oklahoma and Texas areas. And a lot of unsettled weather in the Rocky Mountain West will be working its way into our neck of the woods over the next several days, meaning we remain unsettled. These storms here very violently rotating with the potential for some softball size hail rolling into West Texas tonight. Here's your forecast. The rain pretty much done. A few clouds out there. It's going to be muggy and patchy fog, a possibility, but the wind as we go through the overnight hours is going to be breezy enough that it'll keep things mixed up pretty good. Now, by daybreak, another round of showers and thunder will be pressing into the Twin Cities. As we go through our morning hours, this will work its way up. Now, watch what happens as we go through the day. We start out cloudy and dry, near 50 degrees. Rain pulls back in from the Twin Cities towards our south and eastern counties as it swirls around an area of low pressure. That means the best chance of rain will be Fergus Falls, Otter Tail County, Becker County, especially the eastern reaches, Hubbard and Wadena counties as well. The rest of us should stay for the most part dry, but look at the wind gusting to over 30 miles per hour at times. Best chance at any sun will be in our northern and western counties in northeast North Dakota. And the best chance of rain comes late in the day. We're talking Richland County, Clay County, Becker, and beyond to the south and to the east. Rainfall totals tomorrow could be a couple tenths of an inch to a third of an inch near Wadena and Grant counties. Starting out the day near 50. North winds gusty over 30 miles per hour at times, low 60s for your afternoon. Your hometown forecast 55 in Langdon. If you're heading out to Fergus Falls, 60. We'll see 60 in Roseau as well. And a look at this. Here, kitty, kitty. That's not a kitty. That there is a bear in Otter Tail County. Rick uploading a dandy photo. Here's your dandy forecast. We're going to close out our work week on a cool note. Thursday, 61 degrees. And yes, it gets cooler still heading into Saturday. Only 58 for a high. There'll be some places in northern portions of our viewing area in the 40s for the start of the weekend. Rebounding nicely late Sunday into Monday when we return to near 70, which, as we mentioned earlier, is average for this time of the year.
40s for lows, but no frost.
No frost or flakes.
We're grateful.
Yes, me
Thanks
too.
such.